What if in 2024 you had 3 signature programs that were turnkey in which you could sell? Not only sell to your current clients, but to new ones as well. And what if I gave you my systems to sell them? And finally, what if we helped you create those funnels over the next 2 months, so in January you hit the ground running? Now, these programs aren't just anything. These are programs that happen to be in unclaimed niches, and they're following 3 categories. The first category is whole body healing, in which I use the labs to create that protocol. The second one is brain rejuvenation. And the third one is detox, mold detox specifically. Now, come behind the doors, and I want to show you it gets even better. Three programs, remember? Turnkey, done for you. And this is the machine that is responsible for doing it. Now, this machine will actually take a protocol and spit it out in packets like this. So the protocol itself will be embedded in these simple, easy to use packets that will come from a box like this. And all your future clients have to do is pull the packet out, consume it. Morning, night, morning, night. The entire 90-day program is done right here inside this box. Now, we've been working on this for 6 to 9 months now, and it's finally time to reveal it to you. How do you get access to this stuff? Inside the Restoration Collaboration, where my team and I, me, Mike Reese, Nicole Lanny, and Kelly Green, will be helping you create those funnels over the next 2 months and supporting you along the way over the next 12 months, because it takes time to fine-tune those funnels and to sell at the highest ROI possible. Why? It's going to get you freedom. Freedom of time, freedom of finances, and if you want, freedom of location. Here's the secret. 3 programs done for you. All we have to do is put up your system to sell it. And here you go. I'll see you in the Restoration Collaboration. Be sure to join in October, because in November, the investment will increase. I am giving it away at $25,000. I know what you can do with this because I've done it myself. In fact, one of my funnels has produced $365,000 in one launch, all from using $13,000 in ads. $13,000 in ad spend converted to $365,000. Who doesn't want that? Time freedom, location freedom, financial freedom. 2024. Here you go. Get all my secrets, and we're here to support you along the way. Go to bloodworkspecialist.com/collaboration, book a call with me, and I'll chat with you soon.